Gunning their way. It's been a whirlwind ride as the teams are still gunning their way towards the playoff spot.
Ganda.
Final day, week 6 has arrived.
Partner, MPL Philippines Season 14. Equality and fairness of our games.
The final day of week 6 has arrived. Simulan na natin ang sagupaan dito sa MPL Philippines Season 14. Casters, pasok! Tingnan aksyon ng ating... It's time for the face-off! Ano ang palag mo?
Alam mo, pag ganyan ka na consistent kasi kailangan unusual pick and it clearly
Welcome to M News as the road to M6 is getting closer.